everyone, welcome to my gala vlogs. One of one of a kind vlog today that we are experiencing the COVID-19 pandemic. But despite that, we have a chance to take a look on the very popular replica of the Venice Canal here and right here in Macedon. Come on, join me as we walk around inside the Venice Canal. As you can see, walang katao-tao. So, but we have still a chance to take and walk around with the views right here at the Venice Canal. Continuing. So, ka-open lang ito for public. So, pwedeng gumana dito provided that you are going to observe the proper protocols. No face shield, no face mask. You are not allowed to take a walk around in Venice Canal. So, akyat tayo. Yan. So, wala mo ng katao-tao kasi sinubaybayan natin na ang ka-open lang. Yan. So, lakad-lakad lang. Gala-gala para may document natin kung ano yung situation ngayon dito sa mataong lugar na Venice Canal dito sa Macedon. So, malinis na malinis. Walang crowded. Crowded ngayon kasi limited lang yung papasok dito. So, yung mga nakakasalubong ko, yan yung mga early birds dito din, kasama ko, na nag-antay sa labas. Para sa ganun ay they're going to have their breakfast dito sa mga food stalls dito na nakabukas. So, nag-iisa na tayo mga ka-SOMers. Mamaya ipopost ko yung pictures namin, yung gala pictures namin with Sir Blaze, with Enchong. And also one of faculty members of Nantahi High School, si Ma'am Ongol. Ma'am Iris with us. Pero yung mga pictures namin ay na-take during the regular operation of the Venice Canal. So maaliwalas ngayon dito sa Makini. Pero sa labas maraming mga nagwo-walkathon, nagwo-walk exercise sa kanilang jogging. So natapos lang po namin lumala from the Heritage Park. So nag-jogging at nag-walkathon lang kami all throughout the sunod ay doon mismo sa Carnegie. And then papunta sa Macedon. So ayan, you feel the ambience as if nandito kayo sa Venice Canal, because this is the perfect replica of Venice. So makikita lamang dito sa sitwasyon ngayon dito sa walkathon vlogs natin or walkathon vlog natin dito sa Venice Canal dito sa McKinley Hills. Yan, just walking around guys and see and feel the ambience of the Venice Canal during this time of pandemic. We have still a chance to see the beauty of the Venice Canal replica. So mga ka-SMers, just see and feel the ambience here and right here at the Venice Canal here in McKinley Hills. So mula po dito sa pinakamaganda ang replica dito sa Pilipinas, the Venice Canal right here at McKinley Hills. It's me. Yes, ako lang to. It's me, Maestro Esong, bringing you the good ambience of the Venice Canal dito lamang sa McKinley Hills, Taguig City, Philippines.